Okay, we have 19 participants. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. We have 21 participants as of now. Okay, we have someone I don't know here. Good evening. I think 1 minute for each question is way too much. 40 seconds might be enough. But,
Yes, sir.
okay, we shall reduce the time. And these NTSE questions, what I see here, the time is more than 1 minute. That was suggested by the paper, by the person who prepared the paper. So let's see if we feel this 2 minutes is also, more time, then we will reduce that. Okay, we'll start. We have 24 participants. Okay, the given figure, the figure is hidden in the given 4 options. Okay, find the figure in which hidden part. I'm not sure. The given image, you need to see where is it hidden in the given options. You have 90 seconds more. We have 26 participants here, but everybody finishes the answering part, then we will be all done. We can move to the next question. Members answered out of 27. So that is why if we have multiple browsers open, then it will become a problem. 21 members answered out of 28. We have 35 seconds more. Members answered out of 29. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Nagalingam followed by Swati, Lakshmi Harsini, Umesh Chandra. Okay, we have, I couldn't read the number. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 2. So which one is similar picture? Compare with the given picture and which one is similar in the given options. feel 2 minutes is also more for these questions, then please leave it in the live chat. Annapurna. 65 seconds more. 25 members already answered out of 32. Thirty-five seconds more. 27 members answered already out of 32 participants. If each and every participant answers, then the question will be all done and we can move on to the next one. Last 15 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Let's move on to the next question. And let's check the scores first. We have Nihal followed by Shirisha, Manaswita, Nagalingam. Okay, 13 members or 15 members maybe answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. So you need to select the correct statement from the given options, and you will have multiple statements are correct. So read all the statements and choose the right option. Okay, 2-minute time is killing the excitement of the participants, it seems. So I'll keep this in the mind. It would be injustice if I end up, all these questions. I have that option to, end the timer and move on to the next question, but that would be injustice because we started the quiz with 2 minutes time. But I promise from the next quiz, definitely I'll reduce the time. Okay, 1 minute enough for NTSE and 40 seconds for social or any other subject quiz. Made a note. So from tomorrow, definitely the time will be reduced to keep your excitement live. 30 seconds more. Last 10 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores. Nagalingam followed by Lakshmi Harshini, Nihal, Purnendra. 8 members made it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Rahim burned a piece of magnesium wire and noted down his observation as. So what would be the observation when you burn a piece of magnesium? We have 37 participants, but I'm not sure if every participant is answering it. 60 seconds more. 26 members answered out of 37. Jahnavi Chaudhary asked, is it a Zoom meeting or Zoom class? But it is not necessarily. This quiz is open for everyone. Last 20 seconds. Whoever would like to participate. Last 15 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have change again. Sai Kirtan on the top, followed by Manaswita and Apurna. How many members? I guess some 8 members, I think, answered it right. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 5. So you need to identify the place marked in the India map, and there is a clue that it is a French colony. Four members already answered out of 37. Forty seconds more. Still, participants are answering. So that is why I'm not able to end the question. But I'm sure from tomorrow I'll reduce the time. Last 15 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Let's check the scores if there is any change. Yes, we have Annapurna on the top, followed by Jahnavi Chaudhary, Nagalingam, Nihal. 8 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Here comes the mathematics question. If A, B, C are in AP, then B minus C by A minus B equals to what? Seconds more. 40 seconds more. 24 members answered out of 39 participants. If A, B, C are in A, B, then B minus C by A minus B equals to what? Last 25 seconds. Okay, time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. We have Annapurna on the top, Jahnavi, Nagalingam. 11 members answered this right. The decimal representation of 83 by 1500 will be the decimal representation of 83 by 1500 will be, in these options, the order of the options, what do you see on your screens, will be different from other participants. So last 1 minute. Forty-five seconds. Last 25 seconds. Okay, the participants who feel the time is more for these questions, and hope you are keeping up with your excitement. 27 members answered out of 40. Last 5 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores and then we will move on to the next one. We have Nihal on the top, Annapurna, Jahnavi, Nagalingam, Sai Kirtan. 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 8. A and B are two real numbers. The relation square root of AB equals to root A root B is what? Seconds more. Seconds more. 15 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Annapurna on the top, followed by Jahnavi, Nagalingam, Tika. 10 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Anil, after traveling 6 kilometers towards east from his house, realized that he has traveled in a wrong direction. He turned right and traveled 8 kilometers to reach his office. The straight distance of his office from his house is what? Seconds more. Thirty-five seconds. Last 10 seconds. Time is up. Only 25 members out of 40 participants answered. Let's check the scores. Still, Annapurna is on the top, followed by Moktika, Sai Kirtana. 7 members made it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10. Very interesting question. If GZWRF is coded as Burma, then how LJWRFSD will be coded? Five seconds more. 17 members answered out of 40 participants. Forty-five seconds. parties, 20 seconds. 20 participants answered out of 40. Last 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores. Annapurna on the top, Moktika, Jahnavi, Chaudhary, Nihal, Anirudh. 15 members answered it right. So let's see who is going to beat Annapurna in this question. Five boys participated in a running race. Alok ran faster than Suresh. Suresh ran faster than Prakash. Alok ran behind John Kabir. Kabir ran between Alok and Suresh. Who is faster than all? Quite confusing. We have 40 seconds more. 23 members answered out of 41. 30 seconds more. 24 members answered out of 41 participants. Naveen, he says 1 minute 30 seconds is enough. But I am not sure if I have any option to select 1 minute 30 seconds. I think after 1 minute it is giving us 120 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 24 members only answered out of 42 participants. Time is up. Let's check this leaderboard scores. We still have Annapurna on the top, followed by Moktika, Jahnavi, Anirudh, Naveen. 9 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. How many triangles are there in the figure given? This triangle is like 1,000 pillars temple. So count carefully. How many triangles are there in figure given? "75 seconds more." "60 seconds more." 40 seconds more. 35 seconds more. Only 20 members answered out of 42 participants. 25 seconds more. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Last 10 seconds, only 25 members answered out of 43 participants. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Annapurna followed by Jahnavi, Sri Moktika, Anirudh. 27 members answered this. Oh no, only 7 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 13. suddenly the gravitational force between the Earth and a satellite revolving around the Earth becomes zero, then the satellite will. Interesting question. So read the options. Please read the question carefully first. If suddenly the gravitational force between the Earth and a satellite revolving around the Earth becomes zero, then the satellite will. What happens to the satellite? 75 seconds more. Five seconds more. 24 members answered out of 43 participants. What happens to the satellite if suddenly the gravitational force between the Earth and a satellite revolving around the Earth becomes zero? Thirty seconds more. 25 members answered out of 43 participants. Last 15 seconds. Okay, time is up. We have the scores here. Still, Annapurna is on the top. Jahnavi, Muktika, Nagalingam, Naveen. 7 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 14. Okay. Carbon monoxide poisoning is due to the formation of what? Carbon monoxide poisoning is due to the formation of 70 seconds more. Carbon monoxide poisoning is due to the formation of 60 seconds more. 24 members already answered out of 43 participants. Last 15 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We still have Annapurna on the top, followed by Sri Muktika, Jahnavi, Naveen. When only 6 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 15. So you need to find the value of the K, value of K from the given information, we have 8, 1, k minus 4 and 2 minus 5. If the points are collinear, then what is the value of k? 90 seconds more. Okay, last 50 seconds. So you need to find the value of k. Thirty seconds. Members answered out of 43. Last 15 seconds. Time is up. 25 members out of 43 answered. Let's check the leaderboard scores if anybody is going to bring the corner down. And there is no change in the scoreboard. Moving on to the next question. 11 members answered this right. Question number 16. What is by-election? We had this question even in our social quiz, I guess. What is by-election? And definitely you don't need 2 minutes for this question. I agree with you. 90 seconds more. Only 18 members answered it. You should be able to answer it real quick. What is by-election? 70 seconds more. 22 members answered out of 44. Five seconds more. Seconds more. 24 members answered out of 44. What is by-election? Last 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores. We have no change, still the same. 16 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 17. Which one is the odd one out in the given options? Participants are answering real fast. 18, 19, 21, 20 members already answered. We have 95 seconds more. 21 members answered. Which one is the odd one out? Seconds more. 50 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 24 members answered out of 44. Five, four, three, two, 1, 0. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. Okay, little change. Annapurna followed by Jahnavi Chaudhary, Sri Moktika. 8 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following words describes a deeply held value or unbreakable rule? And you have only 2 options. Which of the following words describes a deeply held value or unbreakable rule? It's a very simple one, I guess. 21 members answered out of 44. 75 seconds more. 23 members answered out of 44. Which of the following words describes a deeply held value or unbreakable rule? 50 seconds more. So you have 2 more questions to go. 35 seconds. Ten seconds more. Time is up. 23 members answered. Annapurna is still leading, followed by Mogdika, Jahnavi, Naveen, Anirudh. 15 members answered it right. 8 members answered it wrong. Moving on to the next question. Question number 19. Which spelling is accurate? Which spelling is accurate? which spelling is accurate in the given words. Get options. 60 seconds more. 23 members answered out of 44. Maybe few people opened the quiz, they did not end the session and they left, I guess. 40 seconds more. 30 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. We have Annapurna on the top, Moktika, Jahnavi, Naveen, and Nirod. 20 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. And last question of the day. Is the picture visible to you all? I guess you can click on the picture. Tony's portion represents what percentage of the total portion? 90 seconds more. Seconds more. Thirty-five seconds. Last 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After that, let's take the scores. I think we can go for the final scores. 13 members answered it right. Okay, here are the final scores waiting to come up on the screen. We have N. Naveen on the third position, Jahnavi Chaudhary on the second position, and Annapurna is in the first position. Okay, if you would like to have individual scores, you please let me know. I'll send.